In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the hood lift support on your 1997 Ford Explorer. They're located right underneath your hood. The process for the driver's side is the same for the passenger side. First thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure that your hood is supported. Once we go ahead and pop this off, the hood come crashing down and kind of knock you in the head, so you want to be careful. We're going to go ahead and use a pocket screwdriver. You can use a pick if you want to. On either end here, there's going to be a little metal C-clip here. You're going to go up underneath that clip right on the back side and pry that out. What this is doing is popping this retainer off of the locking ball and socket unit here. If you want, you can pop that off completely. Just as a caution, even if you do have something holding the hood, it's always good just to have your hand up there anyways. Pop that off. We're going to go ahead and do the same for the bottom. There is a C-clip right here. Simply going to go in here on the back side. Go ahead and pop that off. The new part itself has the C-clips already installed. So what you simply want to do is line up the hole on the back side and push it onto the stud. It'll simply snap into place. That lock clip will automatically engage. Here, same thing. Now if that doesn't line up, simply grab the hood, lift it up a little bit, line that up, snap that on. You can go ahead and remove your prop rod. You're all set here. Repeat the process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.